Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by clarifying the video's goal and picking the exact Google search you'll demonstrate. This matters because viewers need a clear takeaway. Once done, set up a clean desktop, enable a high-quality mic, and open a browser in a fresh window so results are uncluttered. Make a short shot list. Capture search query, result types, and any click-throughs. Practice one run. Timing each step ensures you hit the key moments without pause and keeps the tutorial tight and useful. Now record the demonstration with intention. Start the screen recorder and narrate the why as you type the search. Speak clearly and explain each choice, why you pick a phrase, filter results, or open snippets, so viewers learn the reasoning. Once done, stop and record short, focused clips for any complex step to splice later. Make sure to capture a clean end-state result and a quick zoom on critical details. These cutaways make editing easier and emphasize learning points without extra rework. Finish by editing for clarity. Cut redundancies, insert callouts, and add brief captions so viewers can scan. Then clean the audio, remove hiss, normalize levels, and ensure voice sits above any background music. Once done, export using MP4H. 264 settings optimized for web and test on both desktop and mobile. If something goes wrong, try this troubleshooting tip. Re-record only the problematic short clip and replace it in the timeline. It's faster than redoing the whole video and preserves the overall flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.